Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons. Now scroll through this panel and look for the lock screen option. As you can see, I don't have it, and by default it won't be here. To have this icon we need to add it. So scroll up, tap on edit, then scroll up, tap on add, and here we have the lock screen icon. Tap on the check mark to confirm, then tap on done, and it's gonna be added to the list. And then we can tap on done, and as you can see now it appeared on the quick panel. And to lock the touchscreen, simply tap on this icon and the touchscreen will be locked. This option is quite useful. For example, if you want to take a shower with your watch on or sleep with your watch on, it will prevent mistouches on the screen, so your watch won't go too crazy with it when you're trying to, for example, take a shower or sleep with your watch. And to unlock the screen, you can do it by waking up the screen and then rotating the crown button. You need to keep rotating it to unlock the screen. At least it should be working. Yeah, it's working. So we need to rotate the crown button to unlock the touchscreen, and now it's working again. And that's how you lock the touchscreen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.